This message is transmitted at the request of the Department of National Defense. At 8:37 a.m. the Philippine Standard Time, the People's Republic of China declare war to the Republic of the Philippines. One of the radars detected an intercontinental ballistic missile or ICBM, heading to the center of Metro Manila launched in China. It is believed that the ICBM will impact in the next 2 to 3 hours. All residents in the whole Metro Manila, Cavite and Bulacan is advised to leave their homes or seek a fallout shelter immediately. Take your emergency supplies and leave your house immediately. The President of the Republic of the Philippines may give a special speech after this warning. All television and radio stations will cease the irregular programming scheduled to give way for the speech. Stay tuned to the emergency alarm system for further details and information regarding to this situation.